Well, hello my beautiful people, and welcome to my fashion unboxings. I have quite a few things that we need to talk about. Yes, and it's more. But first, we're gonna get into this pile. This pile is all about the fitness, and then this pile is more about the fashion. But we're just gonna do an unboxing today, that's it. Then, you can click the link below, guys. Don't be scared. Click on that link. Start shopping. You can go ahead and buy yourself something. It's okay to support me. It's alright.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
We're all friends here. Definitely support me. Shop with me. Anyway, let's get back to the unboxing. So before we get into these fitness leggings, let's see what's in this box here. Yes, TikTok sent me some sneakers. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never really worn, just no-name brand sneakers or knockoff sneakers. But at the end of the day, 99% of my workouts are either in home or in the gym. And ain't nobody checking for what kind of sneakers you're wearing in the gym. So let's be real here. Nobody's looking at labels in the gym. Nobody's checking for nobody. When I'm in the gym, tunnel vision. I'm not concerned about what anybody else is wearing. But if I can find something that's comfortable and sturdy, that'll help me do some nice squats, that'll keep my feet planted so I'm not slipping around, these are it. So these are really cute. Let me pull them out and show you what they look like. Okay, so those things are pretty cute. I gotta test them out in the gym, and I'll definitely let you know how that works out.